my team members and I will be presenting to you about the safety training in construction industry and the level of their competency knowledge. As we all know, construction sites workers are always exposed to many hazards. Cases like accidents on construction sites are not a new occurrence. The goals of this article evaluation are to analyze and review the current safety practices at the construction site, as well as to ensure the compliance with Malaysia's attempt to reduce the frequency of accidents on construction sites.
Cases of construction site accidents always happen, and to reduce injuries on their respective sites, every construction project should include safety practices. So, in this review, one of the papers discuss about the level of competency knowledge of construction personnel, while the other two papers discuss about safety-related protections and their problems in the construction industry. Both of the papers were published to create awareness among the workers. As we all know, safety practices are not always properly enforced. Mostly, they will encounter several problems such as ignorance of workers on work procedures, lack of financial allocation, lack of awareness, language barrier, and many more. The construction workers' knowledge also plays an important role. To avoid any injuries, they must be able to understand how the task force is performing and keep up with the safety implementation. In the results and findings, we will be able to have a complete idea of how safety practices in the construction work and their strategies for solving problems while implementing a safe environment. Why we choose this article? Based on occupational accident statistics by sector from January to December 2021 that have been investigated by DOSH, the construction industry is one of the top 5 industries with the most accidents per year. By that, we are eager to know how the safety implementation was applied in the industry. Since we are doing a topic about safety training in the construction industry, we found out these articles are the best and most complete pieces of information to do a review. At the end of the study, we can distinguish the competency level, training and knowledge along with management and supervisory skills in safety among construction personnel.
In methodology, I will discuss about objective and method. The 3 main objectives to be achieved for each article are to determine the current safety practices related problems and strategies to reduce the problem, to investigate the level of competency knowledge among construction personnel, to create awareness among construction workers about various related protection. Next, we can see that each article or journal use different methods to collect the data. First method is case study. 2 case studies was conducted for the data collection. From the case study, the current safety practices that have been adopted at the construction site are identified. The second method is questionnaire and survey. Questionnaire-based survey was carried out with 3 major parts about knowledge of construction personnel, and the last one is through observation. Observation of 3 construction sites are conducted in order to collect data about safety awareness in construction site. According to table 1, which is observation of worker safety awareness at construction site, we can see that the worker safety awareness is very poor when most of them not wearing a proper PPE. The findings reveal that this happens when there are poor company procedure in responsible attitudes of construction workers, poor management commitment and insufficient knowledge and training of workers. Next, table 1 shows the findings on current safety practices at construction site. From the case study conducted, both projects have implemented safety practices. Overall, we can see that the most of safety practices listed are implemented by both contractors. Therefore, we can conclude that the construction site has a good and structured safety practice. Lastly, results obtained in identifying knowledge gaps among construction personnel reveal that there is a significant difference in competency knowledge between site supervisor, designer, and contractor based on safety training shown in the table 3.
To summarize, accidents on construction sites are sometimes unavoidable, no matter how diligently we practice safety measures. Moreover, unfortunate accidents may cause a person to experience a severe injury, resulting in them having a serious health condition. In order to minimize accidents from happening, strict safety practices must be followed. The top tier management, managers, supervisors, and other workers must work together in order to ensure the effectiveness of these safety measures and then be able to minimize the risk of accidents from happening. That's all from us. Thank you.